Iteration is a fundamental building block of all programs. It is the ability to execute a certain code repeatedly. In this section, we will focus on a few examples of iteration processes in Python. To begin, we have prepared a list called even. It contains all the even numbers from 0 to 20. Imagine we want these numbers printed out, so we can write the following. For n and even, colon, which would mean for every element n in the list even, do the following. Print that element. In this case, n is called the loop variable. It is not required to have called it n. Any other name would have worked fine. The phrase print n acts as the body of our loop. Don't forget it should be indented to run the loop properly. The command in the loop body is performed once for each element in the even list. Now, let's go over the steps implied by this piece of code. The loop starts by taking an element n from our list. Then, the computer executes the body of the loop. In our case, it will simply print that variable. When the computer is done with this operation, called iteration or pass of the loop, Python will go back to the for statement and pick the next element n that is in the even list. It will then print out and so on and so forth until the loop body has been executed for all available elements in the list. Right, let's apply this code to see the outcome. Exactly as expected. All numbers were stated in a column. What if we wanted to see them ordered in a single line? A comma after the element n in the command printn will help us achieve that. The comma will indicate every next element from the loop should be placed on the same row. This was a short but important introduction to the concept of iteration in programming. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.